Hi, my name is Klaus Inspector. Today inspecting this Suzuki for you. It's a 2019 manufacturer's year. Let's go for the bodywork. Both front bumpers are mismatching color. I had some sort of shunt on the front. You'll see that in a report I mentioned. It's more likely the bumper has been replaced, but there are fog light brackets broken, needs fixing. This bumper is cracked due to the shunt, and it's not sitting properly due to it's been sort of pushed, but I would say that's satisfactory, you know. Regards to bodywork, also you will have age-related scratches and imperfections. It would be consistent for the everyday used car, as this one seems to be. You can see scratches, small scratches, excessive scratches on this side. There is one, two dings. This is not pulled out, and there's still got a circle around it. So as this door has, when you're looking from side, 1, 2, 3, I think around 3 dings, chipped off paint, mismatching colors, a few rust spots, and a few tiny, I think there's also a tiny ding in it. No, it's not. That needs treating. Mentioned cracked trim, as this loose. Smart repair unsuccessful. Some respray marks visible. Scratches, more chipped off paint to the bare metal. Needs treatment. This door, all from like probably about 50 centimeters of cold dent removal, which is unsuccessful. That will need basically panel. There's also a few cold dent repairs here. There's several dinks. This is quite large, 10 centimeter dent in it. So there's quite a few dents, 1, 2, 3, and that would need repair, respray. So as here, few scratches, few light scratches on this section here. Vehicle is structurally sound. There's no evidence of significant accident damages on it, by the shunt front and rear bumpers. Average, so the trim, some oxidation marks, more on inside is developing, and some scuff marks on this one. Its interior is quite, reasonably clean, with wear and tear marks visible. You'll see in the pictures there's the 2 cigarette burn marks on that seat. The boot lid is not shut in properly. It needs slight adjustment. Annoying stuffs like this. The pin is missing. General wear. That is the vehicle. There's no abnormal faults. That's a good thing normally on Japanese cars. I'm gonna go for the road test. Any drivability issues, I'll put it in a report. Thanks for using us. There's loads of age-related issues and things. There's no major reason to reject, but in my opinion, if it doesn't break down on a road test, you can negotiate quite significantly or walk away. Thanks. Once you hear that, review the report, feel free to give me a call back.